To do this trend, you need to have CapCut application. Now click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut option. Now click on Use Template and add your 1 video and 20 for photos. After adding your photos, click on Preview. Now check and export your video. Now after exporting, come back to CapCut. Go to New Project and add the video you've just exported. Now click on the video and then turn down the video volume to 0. Now at the audio, you can get this audio from link given in the description. Now check your video and export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.